Today we're looking at this DT P04 side shift drum lifter, ideal for loading and unloading pallets that are stored against a wall, all from one side. So from this side we can get to all the drums shown here. We just need our left leg to go between the pallets, so we need a small gap between each pallet against the wall. We push the unit forward, making sure we're lined up. This lifter body slides left and right on bearings by releasing this toggle clamp and then locking it in position once we're lined up for drum. Once it's locked in position, we bring the catch forward and lower it down using our black lowering handle to our grippers engaged. We then pump our handle, raises the drum up. We don't need much clearance, a couple of inches off the pallet. We can then pull the unit backwards and rotate it around. Again, unlock our toggle clamp, we can slide it across. When we're happy with the position, lower it down. For steel drums, we have a fold down plate which just keeps the drum slightly more vertical, so we can fold this down for steel, open top and tight head drums. Line ourselves up with the pallet. We want to bring our gripper up so we're above the top lip of the drum. Come forward and lower down again. Once engaged, I'm happy with that. We can pump our handle. I'm going to position this on the left. For Mauser drums, we need to adjust our catch settings. We need to bring our catch up to the top lip of the drum. It's very easy to pump with and without a drum, it's very low effort. We'll show a close-up of adjusting the catch, but it's very quick and simple to do. Simply remove one pin and fit it in another location. Again, I'm going to fold up our kick plate. We don't use that on the plastic drums, it's just not needed. Lower it down over the lip of a drum. Once engaged, pump our handle. You can see the unique feature of this model, that the cross beam's actually above the pallet, so we're picking up drums at the rear without having to get behind the pallet or use a corner lifter or something similar like that. So it's a very versatile model, very useful when you're storing drums against a wall. Pull the unit back now. We'll centralise the drum. And lower down. We'll now show you a close-up of a drum gripper. We're now looking at the drum gripper and rack on this machine. The gripper can be adjusted in height for different sized drums, so we can lower it down to the lower portion of the rack for short drums, or keep it in the high position for taller drums. There's lots of positions in between for drums from 50 litres all the way up to 220. To adjust the height, we take this pin and remove it from the catch. We then hold the catch at the bottom and at the top and unhook it. We can then lower it down or raise it up to whatever position we like and then hook it back in position. So we'll adjust this depending on our drum type. For a 200 litre drum, we'll have it in the top portion. We then refit our locking pin by sliding it through the hole all the way through, and we're now ready from a height perspective. We can also adjust the top hook depending on the type of drum and the design of the top lip. So for steel drums, this setting is ideal, but if we have Mauser drums which have a very big, large lip, we often need to move this top hook forward. To do this, we remove a pin slightly higher up than the other one. So we take this larger pin out, and this top hook is actually a removable part. We have a number of holes for different settings, and in your instruction manual, we'll give guidance on which hole is best for any particular type of drum. To refit it, we position it in the forward hole and repit our pin. So we've now moved this top hook forward, which would be more suitable to a plastic Mauser style drum. At the bottom here, we also have a kick plate. This is a stainless steel fold down plate suitable for steel drums, 200 litre. If we're handling plastic drums, this can be folded up and isn't needed. At the rear of the unit, you can see our toggle clamp. We lift this up to release it. This allows us to slide the lifter laterally left and right. When we're happy with the position, we can lock it off by pulling it down. The lifter is now locked. Here we have our black lowering handle, which allows us to control the lowering of the drum. We rotate this anti-clockwise to lower the drum, and it's progressive, so we can lower very slowly, or we can open it fully to lower much quicker. This model comes with lots of options and customizations. We can change the width of the unit for different pallet sizes. So for narrow pallets, we can make the unit narrower, which is more suitable to a confined space. We also offer different lift heights, so if you need to lift a drum into a machine or onto a platform, we can accommodate that. This model is also available as an ATEX rated model, so if you have a zoned flammable area, we can accommodate that for you. Pharmaceutical and food grade companies often need stainless steel machines, so we do a stainless steel 304 grade model suitable for those areas. If you need to weigh your drum, so you want to weigh the drum and the contents as you lift it, we can integrate a load cell weigh scale which is accurate to 0.1 kilograms or 100 grams. The unit would come with a display which we can read off the weight, and if needed, even a printer. Additionally, we offer a power lift model, so instead of pumping the handle at the rear, we can simply press a button on the panel to raise and lower the drums.